I finished my ice cream. Got these cookies.
One more time for the
Got these cookies from Grandpa. The first one was full.
Give your team the opportunity to show off their skills and deliver on screen.
And
Michigan pregame spots currently being booked with tickets as low as $12. Other youth hockey packages are also available.
I believe the hot dog race.
/youth hockey. All right, fans, time for the Zweigels hot dog race. Welcome to the ice, Frank the Red Hot, Hans with the buns, and Bert the beer brat. Now, fans, we need a little help from Bert. He is winless this season. As they make one trip around the ice, the first attack moves and center ice wins. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! And they are off and running. Frank the Red Hot off to the early lead with Hans with the buns. In second place, Bert the beer brat. It isn't even a game at this point. Poor Bert.
That was a very good Bert.
Hans with the buns takes the lead. It's Frank the Red Hot. Face plants at center ice. It's a two-dog race. Hans with the buns, making his way around the final turn. This looks like an easy one. Oh, he's moonwalking, he's taunting. Not right. With the buns is your winner. Fans, make sure you check your Twitter to see who you've been selected as tonight's winners. And be sure to follow Zweigels on Twitter at Zweigels Hotspur Roasters, recipes, and much, much more.
And they go.
Tonight's birthday is presented by Wendy's. Happy birthday to all the fans celebrating a birthday with us.